Google verified review by Tamara Boykin. PetPeePee's revolutionary cleaning technique saved my beautiful rug. My wool antique Oriental rug was completely saturated with urine odor. Every professional rug cleaner said they could clean it, but the vegetable dyes would run and the white areas would be a little pink. Martin at PetPeePee sent my rug back to me odor-free, with the colors intact, brighter and more vibrant than ever before. He provided excellent service, answering every question, making shipping effortless, staying in touch throughout the process, and even providing history I didn't know about the rug. I could not be happier with the results.
Mr. Harvick from Louisiana called me. I have $7,000 Oriental rug. My wife loves this rug. I sent the rug to a local Oriental rug cleaner. It come back to me still smell with a cat urine odor. Do you guarantee in writing the removal of urine odor? And my answer was very simple. I name my company PetPeePee because this is the only service that I do, and I provide 100% guarantee in writing, no trace of any odor, none. No pee-pee, no deodorizer, no chemicals. He said, the Oriental rug is on the way. Just text me your address and I will ship it to you in 10 minutes. 3 days later, I received the Oriental rug in the warehouse. I cleaned the Oriental rug. I ship it back to Mr. Harvick in Louisiana. What is the secret of my cleaning process? I clean the Oriental rug through the rug with the organic, odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Listen how the vacuum extract all the urine from the Oriental rug.
Google verified review by Carolyn Baker. I have a beautiful Oriental rug that I inherited from my family. My incorrigible Jack Russell Terrier had been surreptitiously using it as her huge pee-pee pad for some time. I tried professional steam cleaning and cleaned it with my Bissell carpet cleaner dozens of times with various cleaning solutions. Nothing worked. I was ready to roll it up and put it in the garage when I decided to give it another chance with my local Oriental rug business. Well, that was $375. And when I picked it up from being cleaned, the stench in my car was acrid. By luck, I managed to find PetPeePee and dubiously read the countless positive reviews. I decided to give it one last chance. A FedEx receptacle was provided to me at my home, and I sent her off. The owner diligently kept in contact with me and even sent me photographs of my rug being cleaned. And when the rug was promptly returned to me, it had absolutely no odor. I'm still dumbfounded. The only caveat I can offer is that this is not an inexpensive endeavor. However, it was worth the expense to have my beautiful living room rug completely revived. I would give this company 13 stars if I could.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
verified review posted by Linda Fott. Our 2 adult sons brought their 6-year-old and 8-month-old dogs home for 10 days in August. The 8-month-old wasn't totally housebroken and urinated on my very expensive Persian rug on a routine basis when no one was around. To make matters worse, our 8-year-old Maltese and the 6-year-old King Charles picked up the scent and left their marks as well. I called several rug cleaners in my area, but no one would offer a guarantee for urine removal. I was browsing YouTube when I discovered PetPeePee rug cleaning in Pompano Beach, Florida, and Mr. Martin, the owner. After watching his video about the cleaning process and speaking personally to Mr. Mayor Martin, I was convinced that was where I needed to send my very expensive Persian rug for cleaning. I am so happy I did. I packaged the rug in heavy black plastic, per his folding and packaging instructions, and affixed the FedEx label that Mr. Martin emailed. The rug was promptly picked up the next morning. Mr. Martin texted photos as the rug was going through the cleaning process. I was stunned at the amount of dirt and urine that was removed. My rug was returned in about 8 days. It looks like new and it doesn't stink. I will never send my rugs anywhere else for cleaning. And the best part is that I made a new friend. Thank you so much, Mr. Martin.
When I clean Oriental rug, the first thing that's come to my mind is to protect the color. This is essential for happy customer. Color will never run. For this reason, I never use a scrubber. Never. Second, very important, to remove all the urine odor and all the chemical that you use in the past. Nature Miracle, Woolite, all of this chemical must be gone. So I invented a odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Then it is organic and designed by Mother Nature to remove the urine odor. And the third, I clean your Oriental rug through the rug, through the fiber. I flush out, I pull out all the urine crystal from deep inside the rug where nobody else can reach. PetPeePee, would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Call today Mayor Martin, the owner of PetPeePee,